Good morning.
Good morning.
huvudspegeln.
So I didn't even have a turn. So I have a light. This is the one. You put in some work on it? No.
It's just me, but move.
You are getting good thing.
It's a mouth. Okay, let's get an interview. These girls are so addicted. Are you guys addicted? Huh? See? Most of the time you're just on the phone. You got one phone right there. Look, one phone. There's another phone right there. Woo! Are you addicted, Velma? What's up?
So cute. You know this guy named Duke? I'm out.
Oh. Did you pray?
I thought you got to pray. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
How old are you? 9. If you're 10, you get to eat downstairs. 10 or up, you get to eat downstairs. What, Ruthie?
Good. Green.
Yeah.
Is everybody?
Yeah.
Out there?
That's it?
What are you eating?
Chicken and hot dog and rice.
Oh wow. You too? What? You eat this stuff? Huh? Huh? What do you mean you don't know? You're just taking it without knowing you can't eat it? Huh? You're gonna die from eating that. Russell. You're gonna die from eating it. Okay, sit down. Eat over there.
Who do you think that was? Me or Ross?
Oh, what about you, LaParson? What are you eating? Huh? Everybody drinks soda. It's bad for you.
I drink water.
I don't see water. That's soda.
I know, just for today.
No, just for today.
I'm drinking water.
Okay, good, LaParson. Good.
I didn't know.
Okay. You better. Oh, what are you eating?
I'm dead. I'm not scared. I'm not. I'm not scared of Maui.
You're not scared of Maui? Okay. Sawo,
I need 2 hot dogs.
2 hot dogs. Ooh. You eat that stuff?
Yeah.
You're gonna die from eating that.
Can I drink soda?
Wow. He's beating Willyanter. Okay, let's see how good this guy plays. Alright. We got Willyanter. Oh, this guy's good. Ooh, although he plays like a girl. Oh, come on. Oh. Hey. All right. Okay. Oh. Come on, you gotta show the world. Woo. Whoa, Willyanter, you're good. You are good. Oh. Wow. All right. All right. So you got your boy Mars. All right. And you got your boy Willyanter. Good job, guys. Anything you want to say to any players out there? Are you looking forward to challenge somebody out there, or what's up? No? It's always nice to be humble, right?
Yeah.
Just wait for your time, right? What about you, boy?
I'm good.
What? What?
I'm good.
I cannot hear you.
I'm good.
You're good? You're good for what? You mean you're being conceited and you're being cocky to say that you're good in playing basketball?
No.
Okay,
No,
then
like,
what?
I got no one to challenge.
What?
I don't want to challenge anybody.
Okay, so you don't want to challenge anybody?
Sure.
That's good. You're just being humble?
Yeah, sure.
Good job, boy. That's my boy. All right. Okay, well, you guys chill. I'm gonna see what I can do. All right, chill. Peace.
This is the end of the video. I know it was a short one, but stay tuned until the next video so we can make it fun. But today we just vlogged of our gathering for Labor Day.
Alright guys, so we want to say thank you. Oh wow, just in time. Here, close the door, close the door. Let's close out the video. Close the closet, come on. Alright, you got anything to say? Marlon was just ending off the video with a small message. So, you want to say anything? Huh?
You said Marlon.
No, I said you.
Today was fun. And
Why? Because you were showing off with your basketball moves?
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
I wasn't. But shout out to Willyanter, that was a fun match, and I'm excited to go back to school.
Yeah, that's right. So, are you excited to go back to school, Marlon? Huh? What?
Kinda.
Kinda? What do you mean kinda? Huh? Marlon, what do you mean kinda? You mean you're not excited that you're going back to school?
I am, but
what?
But I'm nervous.
Okay, I know. It's always like that, especially when you're first time going to when you're new to a classroom and you're going to be new to your 5th grade, right? All right, you're gonna be a 5th grader. All right, guys. Well, we want to say thank you. Come on, get in the frame, dude. All right. So, wow, seriously. All right. Anyway, we want to say thank you guys for watching we want to thank you guys for watching today, And hopefully we'll catch you guys on the next one. As always, we want to say thank you, and we ask that you would continue to follow our journey. And thanks so much. You guys are awesome. It is ridiculous.
Peace.
Peace.